This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from Chausson, and this vehicle here is an integrated 7020 titanium premium, and it comes at a cost of around 80,000 euros. So I'll take you inside and show you, because it's a bit unusual in the way it's laid out. Now, here we go. Here's the clue. There's something here which is a bit odd, but I'm not telling you what it is until later. Here at the back we've got bunk beds. This top one, I'd take it out myself, wouldn't be bothered with that, but it will go up and down and you can put it in the position you want. Under this lower one, they've got something called easy box or easy storage or dog food location or secret beer hider or something like that, and that it goes down there, and that is the whole thing is over the garage, and I shall take you to the garage if I'm feeling like it. And there's some lights here as well, I think. Oh, they're on. And here we've got this, which will move the bed up and down. Do you want to see it happen? Okay, here we go. And guess what? It doesn't work. That doesn't work. Somebody's probably turned 12 volt off. Anyway, never mind. It goes up and down when the 12 volts are on. How come the lights are on if the 12 volts are off? No, that's because of the way it sort of works at these trade fairs. It's got a different electric circuit to what you'd find normally. And they do that for a specific reason, and that's because people like me come in and start messing around with things, and they get broken. So that's why they do it like that. Except you see this light up here, I think that's outside. Anyway, never mind. Right, one thing I don't understand does, what's this here? It's too low to be a thing to sit on to clean your feet, and it's too high to be something to stand on. I don't quite know what it's there for. There's me in the mirror. And right, so coming into here, up there we've got a bed, and this is what's unusual. This is an integrated motorhome, and I can't think off the top of my head a single other integrated motorhome with a bed up here. Now, they are the semi, obviously they put them up here, but the integrated ones, can you think of any integrated with a bed up here? If you can, write it down, because nothing comes to my mind immediately. It might well be some, I just can't think of it off the top of my head. Two burners, deep sink, and you've got storage under the kitchen unit. And here we've got, yeah, see if this bed comes down. No, it doesn't. Oh, we're getting kicked out. There's a gentleman standing here wanting to know when I'm leaving. So I'll walk out very slowly and understands English. Oh, he's turned nice. Well, that was nice not to do it beforehand. So I'll just walk over to the garage, and there you can see the garage. And this will move up and down to take things to make more space in the garage, should it be necessary. Right, so thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf, and I'll leave you with a shot of the front of this van.